Okay, hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the new topic. It's about angle. Angle is a part of geometry actually. So this is one little part, a part of geometry. So we will learn about what is angle. So here we have an angle. An angle is formed when two lines meet a point. So when two lines we draw two lines. This is one line and another line. Meet in one point, they meet in here. One angle is formed. So this is the angle. Okay, how to name the angle? To name the angle, we have two ways to name the angle. The first way is by using three words, and the second way is by using one word, the point of the angle only. So here is the way. Let's say we have A, B, and C. And to name the angle, we can use the first way. We use the symbol of angle. This is the symbol of angle, and the name of this shape is angle ABC. Make sure the angle must be in the middle one. So this is angle ABC, or another way to say this angle by using one word only, angle B. So we have two ways to name the angle. Now we will learn about types of angle. Types of angles. So here we have acute angle. Acute angle is a kind of angle here. Okay, acute angle is a kind of angle that greater than zero but less than 90 degree. So for example, if we draw 90 degree, so this one is 90. Acute angle must be smaller than 90. It can be like this. So this is the acute angle. And we have a right angle, kind of angle that exactly 90 degree, just like what we have drawn, this one. Yeah, this is the right angle. And obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is kind of angle that greater than 90 but less than 180. So 180 is a straight line. So this is 180. You can write this one 180. And this is the right angle. This is the right angle. And obtuse angle must be take from that is bigger than 90. It must be can be checked from here. Can be took from here. So this is the example of obtuse angle. Greater than 90, but with another rule less than 180. So if we take the line from here, and we put it here, so this one still obtuse angle. And the last part, oh no, we have another one. This is strike angle. Strike angle is kind of angle that we just explained before, a strike line. Okay, this strike line, it's called strike angle. And we have another one, reflex angle. Reflex angle is a kind of angle that is greater than 180. So, for example, this is the kind of reflex angle. So here we draw the line and this one. Okay, so if you count how the degree of the angle of this one, it must be bigger than 180, but it must be less than 360. That is called reflect angle. So for the next, let's see the example of this question to find the example of acute, right, obtuse, strike, and reflex angle. So here we have, okay, so here they ask name each angle and determine it if it is an acute, right, or obtuse angle. So acute, right, they ask for three kind of angle only. So for the first one, this one must be less than 90 because 90 will be around here. We can estimate 90 will be like this. So because this one is smaller than 90, it must be acute. So here is the way to predict which one is acute, right, or obtuse angle. So for the next, how to name the angle, just what we have just learned. So for example, this is the angle CAB, and they make it as angle F. So actually, this angle CAB, the point is on A, so it must here. Yeah. So we can just change the name of the angle become F. So this is the way to name the angle. You have to find the middle font, the middle letter between these three letters. This is the angle that they wanted. Okay, next, after we learn how to name it the angle, we can determine the characteristic of the angle. Okay, here we can find the missing angle by using the characteristic of each angle. So for example, okay, now we have this one. Find the missing angle in each figure. So we have here ABCD is a square and okay, ABCD is a square and we have the angle of each, we have angle here, and we know before that for square, each angle must be 90 degree or right angle. Right angle. So for this case, this one must be 90, 90, 90, and 90. And they ask to find the value of angle E. So to find this one, we know that E plus 63 degree equal to 90 degree. 90 degrees. So to find the value of A, we can find by subtract 90 degree equal to 62 degree. So we will have that the angle E is 27 degree. So this is the value of E, 27 degree. So we will know this one, we can solve this one if we know that the characteristic of the angle. We know that the square has four equal angle, that is 90 degree. So in the same case, we can solve the question part B. So we have a square here as well, and they ask for angle K. So K here must be the combination of 15 degree, this one. Okay. Angle K plus 20 degree plus 15 degree, because this one, the total of this degree is 90 degree. So angle K plus 20 plus 15 must be 90 degree. So we can solve this one first. Angle K plus 35 degree equal to 90 degrees. So angle K must be 90 degree minus 35 degree. And the result is 45, 55 degree. So this is the value of K, 55 degree. Here is the way to find the missing angle by using the characteristic of the square, because we know that the square has 90 degree for each. Okay. Now we will learn about the new topic. It's about perimeter and area of a plane figures. So we will learn about perimeter first. Perimeter. So perimeter is the total length of the boundary of a figure. So for example, the total length, we have a square here, a square. This is a rectangle. We have a rectangle, and the perimeter here is you just find the total of this length, this one, and this one. So this is what it means by perimeter, the total length of the boundary of a figure. So when we talk about the perimeter, we try to find the total, or we plus all the length of the figure. For example, we have a kite, and to find the perimeter of this kite, you just find the total. You just find the total of each length. This one, plus this one, plus this one, and plus this one. So this is the concept of perimeter. Next, yeah, this is the formula of some shape, just like square, because we know that square has 4 equal length. It means if this is 4, the perimeter must be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, because this one is 4. This is a characteristic of square. Square always have 4 equal length, so it must be 16. Or we can write like this: 4 times 4 equal to 16. So if we do not know the length, let's say this is S, the perimeter must be S plus S plus S plus S, or 4S. So this is how to get the formula. Okay. Next, the rectangle. This rectangle has a formula: perimeter equal to 2 times in the bracket length plus width. So for example, we draw the rectangle here. This is the way to find the formula. This one must be length, this one must be width. Okay, let's say this one, we can give example, this one 5, this one 4. Because the characteristics of rectangle has 2 equal length and width, this one must be 5 and this one 4. The perimeter must be 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4. Or we can make it, we group this one, 2 times 5 plus 2 times 4. And by using the distributive law, we can make it more simple by write this way: 2 times 5 plus 4. Okay, this is with the number. For example, we do not know the number, we can write this way: length and width. And we can write 2 times the representation of 5. This is length plus width. So this is how to get the formula. 2 times length per plus width. Okay, and for triangle, for this triangle, we just add its length. For example, this is A, B, C, and the perimeter must be A plus B plus C. This is how to find the perimeter of triangle. Okay, for example, we need to find the perimeter of the figure. So we have a figure here, and we have to find what is the perimeter. It means we have to find the total length of this figure. For example, before we find the perimeter, we need to find the length of each part. For example, we have here 8, 18, and we haven't get some of this part. For example, this one 7, so this one must be 7 as well. And we have here 22 centimeter. This one 8, so this part, if we continue the line, this one 8, this one 8, and this one must be 22 minus 8 minus 8, and this one must be 6. It means this one 6. Okay, after that we need to find another one. Here we have this one 8, and this we can see from here 18, and this 14. This one 14, it means this one must be 4 as well. So we got all the number. This is 4, 8, 6, and 7. Okay, we will draw again. This is 6, 7, 8, and 4. And this one more. This one must be the combination of 6 plus 7. It means this one is 30. Oh, no. We have this one. Okay, so this part must be 22 minus 8, or we have it 14. Yeah. Okay. After we find all the length, we just find the total. Or we can say perimeter equal to this one 18 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 7 again plus 8 plus 14, then we plus by 8 again, plus 4 plus 14. Yeah, only that. So we will have here 18 plus 3 times 8 plus, because we have 3 8 here, right? And 2 times 6 plus 2 times 14. And we have one more here, 7. Oh, actually this 7 must be plus 2, right? 1, 2. Okay, maybe we can recalculate again. The perimeter, start from here, 18 plus 8 plus 7, 7 plus this one before, 8 plus 7 plus 8 plus 14 plus 8 here plus 4 plus 14, this one. Okay, so after we got all the length, we can find the answer. 18 plus 8 equal to 36. 26 plus 7 equal to 33 plus 6 equal to 39 plus 7 equal to 45 plus 8 equal to 53. Okay, equal to 53 plus 14 equal to 67 plus 8 equal to 75 plus 4 79 and plus 14 must be 93. So the perimeter is 93. Here is the way to find the perimeter of the figure. We need to find all the length of the part first. After that, after we find the length of the part, we can find the total by plus all the number. Okay, I think that is all for our lesson today. Thank you.